Did y'all see the Super Bowl last night? Well, not the Super Bowl, but the commercials. It seemed like ChatGPT OpenAI had released a commercial. Check it out.
We're live on the TV, Mom. That's one small step for...
Summarize this article. Help me practice asking for a
Act
raise.
as my sleep coach.
What bird is this?
Actúa como mi tutor.
Turn my idea into a business plan.
What do you want to create next?
In that commercial, it was pretty good if you ask me. That commercial was a really good commercial. It showed the evolution of ChatGPT, of AI, from basically the Stone Ages to now. But as an AI enthusiast, I'm very excited about this, to see that there's AI at a Super Bowl commercial. But it was kind of weird to see that because it didn't really show off what ChatGPT is, what OpenAI is. It was like, I don't think it was a commercial that sold you on what ChatGPT is. But it was still pretty cool if you ask me. But people are thinking ChatGPT and OpenAI Super Bowl commercials aren't cheap. Actually, quite the contrary. Super Bowl commercials are quite expensive. And so this kind of goes into the whole DeepSeek thing, where DeepSeek had spent a fraction of the cost to make the same kind of O1 preview model. And people are saying, well, if O1 preview was able to make this for a fraction of the cost, why are y'all spending so much money? Why do y'all need so much money to be funded? And well, what about the extra cost it takes to get adoption, to train and to get user adoption and train the people about AI? Because AI is a new thing. This is something totally different than people are even used to. The closest thing we probably had was Siri, and this is something totally different than Siri. But it kind of makes you think they had to pour probably hundreds, millions, let's be real, of money into the Super Bowl commercial just to get it aired and just to get the people to know more about AI. Because people like me and you who are watching these videos are super in tune with AI, but a lot of people, think about it, even there's people right now that still struggle with technology, still struggle on how to type. They'll still use their index finger and pick up the keyboard. They'll still ask their kids or grandkids or whatever help with like phones and different settings in their phone to turn down brightness. So the thing that AI, even though it seems like it's everywhere, everybody's talking about it, it's still super new. And so I think that's what a lot of the money sometimes is used for when it comes to OpenAI. It may not be to make the latest and greatest model. It may be to get awareness or spread awareness to other people so they can have an understanding of what AI is, so they can use it in their day-to-day lives. Because even if AI is cool and the best tools out there, if nobody's using it, it's pointless, right? But it does take a sizable budget to get on the Super Bowl commercial, especially this one. I think this one is really highly anticipated, especially with like halftime performances and stuff like that. But tell me what you think down below. Did you like the OpenAI Super Bowl commercial, or are you like, I wish they would have saved that money and reinvested into more models or releasing something for the free tier users? But if you want to keep up the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex, not Dexter, out.